What's up, guys? So, no, I did not buy another Blazer, but one of my buddies did. Y'all know Chuck from this video from a couple months ago. We took him out wheeling for the first time in his stock Dodge, and ever since then, he's pretty much been trying to figure out what he's going to buy and build. So, a little backstory: about a month and a half ago, you guys all know Nick's 909. He hit me up one day, and I was actually driving out to my parents' house. He texted me, and when I read his text, I had to pull over. I was like, "What?" His text said that he wanted to sell his Blazer. So I pulled over and called him immediately, and I was like, "What the heck's going on?" And he basically just is um, he's over it, I guess. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I guess everybody gets to that point in their life where they just kind of want to do something different. I kind of went through a phase like that a few years ago where I kind of stopped doing things that I had been doing my entire life for one reason or another, like riding my dirt bike. I sold my dirt bike. Um, I quit the band I was in for 10 years, and I just wanted to do some different things. Anyways, Nick's has built a handful of trucks. This is not his first build, and I just think um, besides all the work that is involved in building a truck, his friends that he used to wheel with no longer wheel or have moved away, so he doesn't really have a lot of people that he can go wheeling with. And we all know that this is a sport that you really can't go out and do by yourself because it's not safe and it's not fun to go out by yourself. So, anyways, he just decided that he was going to get rid of it, and he might buy something later on down the road. I think he is seriously thinking about maybe just buying a fully built buggy or something maybe down the road. But for now, he's just kind of over it. So, anyways, sad day for him, but it was a very happy day for my buddy Chuck. Um, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys pretty much what went on yesterday. There was some shenanigans that happened. The trailer that we borrowed to get this thing home was awesome. It was really tall, which kind of made it hard to get the thing up on the trailer. It took almost an hour to get this thing on the trailer because it didn't drive, it didn't steer. So you'll see in the video, I basically sped this video up like massively, and it's still about 10 minutes long of us just trying to get it on the trailer. But anyways, hope you guys are all having a good day, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Going to get Chucky's new toy.
we came off. What the hell?
What the fuck happened there? How did that happen? I don't know. Remember I told you this fucker was making noise.
Holy shit.
You want me to sit on it?
We're all gonna have to get on it.
It is a 2 5/16 ball. I got 260 right there, baby. Look at that.
Yeah, but we're not lined up. We're screwed.
Sorry. How did we make it all the way here? Man, I shot. I was like, man, it's fucking making noise.
You did a couple times, yeah. That's what we were hearing?
Yeah.
Was it not locked or what?
I don't know. So we got back this down then, probably?
Either that or we can disconnect the chains and I can move the truck over and back it up.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. That's whatever you think's easy. It's better to. Wait, you're gonna
Chains aren't holding
chains. Do what?
Huh?
He's just gotta shift over. That's fucking insane.
Dude.
I'm like, we're not even ready.
You didn't even make a dent, Nick. Eat a cheeseburger, Jesus Christ. Jeff, you can't push.
Hey, I asked to bring in and out.
Whoa.
Okay.
Tell him to come back a little bit.
Go back, Taryn. An inch and a half, a little bit more. Whoa. Right there. Back another half inch.
I can't get any more of my fat on it. We good?
No,
we get it?
on it.
No?
You need to go back farther?
Did he take it with him? That pin thing?
Hold on.
It didn't burn his tailgate.
It did. Well, hit it there.
Right,
You got that pin?
I think it's on the trailer or something.
He said the pin's on the trailer. Oh, it's right there.
We need more bodies up here. I'm not even registered.
Yeah.
Alright, see what I can do here. Chuck, you need to be as far out as possible. There you go, Chuck. What? Come on, up here. We need the leverage. I was trying and you told me to stop. So that means, again, you're calling me fat.
Okay, I need to pull forward just a little bit.
I think it's on there now. How the fuck was that?
What do you want me?
The tires. We're gonna need a couple of
Just
tires.
steering?
Yeah, just this steering.
Just slowly. What do you want me to do? Just stay right there. Okay. Get close. Okay, we're about to start
This is it.
on the down. Hold on, dude. What? I just want to make sure I got the ramps right.
If we can.
I needed another drink of beer before this goes down. Yeah, I do too, because I'm getting nervous now.
Are we gonna have to turn this, Chuck?
Yeah.
Is it gonna come all the way off the trailer before we have to turn it? I hope.
Yeah, more than likely.
Okay.
If not, we can pull the truck out.
Okay.
I hope. All right, hold it.
There it goes.
There it is, Terry.
There it is. You got it now.
That's his wheel now?
Yep.
He's in the wheelhouse. Yeah, pulled everything. Chuck didn't take the fucking e-brake off.
All right. Back tires are on the ground. Going down, easy.
Oh shit, I didn't like that. Hang on. Yeah, alright, come on.
We're good.
Come on.
It's straight.
We got room back there?
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on. We're good.
Dude, you can come all the way to the ground.
We got it blocked.
Yeah, I got one.
Go back under the tire.
Chuck's got one.
We are unloaded, gentlemen.
Wow, everything is crapping out on me.